okay. I know you're. I know.
Please shut the fuck up. You sound shut up, G. Please. You sound like somebody in here fucking killing you. It's okay. It's okay, Daddy.
Don't you hop your big ass up.